9:40. We had some other arrangements at that time. Corey does not appear. He was indicted on October 5th. It appears he was served for his return by Brown County Sheriff's Office on October 12th. So a case issued for his arrest. All right. That goes on record in the judicial. Are you Joshua Hammond?
Yes, sir.
All right, this is case number 20, CR 172, State of Ohio versus Joshua A. Hammond. Mr. Hammond is appearing by video from the institution. Assistant Prosecutor Adam King is present from the state. The defendant was convicted of counts of child endangering, I believe. No, one count of child endangering, a fourth-degree felony, and was sentenced to a prison term in February, I believe. Well, actually, I'll put it with that. Pled guilty on November 5th, and the sentencing date was January 28th. Okay, January 28th. He was sentenced to prison. The defendant filed a request for judicial release. Court ordered an assessment for residential treatment to be made and a post-hearing report. I have received that from the probation department. All right, Mr. Hammond, is there anything you would like to say regarding your request?
Actually, I leave for today, transitional control.
You say what now?
I'm leaving today for transitional control at the Albert House in Chillicothe, Ohio.
Oh, okay. Well, if you're going to be released anyway, then it seems to make more sense that you not get judicial release. You want to withdraw your request then?
Yes, I just want to finish my time out here.
Okay. All right. Because if I granted judicial release, you'd be there for several days until bed was available. So, and I'm not sure when that was.
Yeah, I just want to withdraw.
Okay. All right. Well then, good luck to you, Mr. Hammond. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well.
Good day.
Yeah.
Hey.
All right. All right then, Brian McClure. You have the October chart there, man?
Wait, pardon, Judge?
You have the October chart.
Yeah, I made a copy.
Okay, I didn't have one. Oh, wait. Here it is. Yeah, okay. No. I put it back. All right. This is case number 21 CR 152, State of Ohio versus Ryan F.T. McClure. Ryan F.T. McClure.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. McClure, you were indicted by the grand jury on October the 5th on a charge receiving stolen property. It alleges that on or about August 23, 2021, this county you did receive, retain, or dispose of a 2006 Honda Rebel 250 motor vehicle belonging to a Baxter Fosco, and you knew or had reasonable cause to believe that obtained information with that offense. So that's a charge receiving stolen property, which if convicted carries a possible prison term of between 6 and 18 months, and possible fine up to $2,500. Now, you are entitled to have an attorney to represent you in this matter. For Ireland, appointment for you. Did you fill out a financial disclosure form?
Yes, sir.
Waiting on the jail to fax it over, Judge.
Pardon?
Waiting on the jail to fax it over.
Oh, okay. Have you, are you employed?
No, sir, right now I'm in, residential treatment in Franklin, Ohio.
Okay, all right. Court will find that you are entitled to appointed counsel. Is this the first time you've been in court on this case?
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, it looks like you did have a preliminary hearing out in this report, represented by Mr. Kirk.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay, the court then will appoint Mr. Kirk to represent you, and in the absence of counsel, I'll honor not be able to plead for you. And where did you say you're in treatment?
Franklin Furnace.
Are you in Star?
No, I'm, right next to the Hughes house.
What's it called?
The Hughes home right there.
Oh, the Hughes Reentry Center.
Yes.
Okay, I got you. And how long have you been there?
I've been there since the 21st of September.
Okay. So you were in transitional. You were in the counseling center before?
No, I came from, the jail out here, and they, warned me.
Oh, okay.
So I went pretty well, and then a week later I got a bed out there.
Okay. Gotcha.
I've got a paper here too, if you want to read it, or.
No, I'm sorry, I believe you.
All right.
All right. The court then will set your first pretrial for November 17 at 2 o'clock. We'll do that by Zoom. They have Zoom down there. I know we've done several hearings today. We'll do a final pretrial on December 15 at 2 o'clock by Zoom. And then the trial date will be set for January 11 at 8 a.m. That would be in person. You're released on your own recognizance only, which is your promise to appear. Well, let me back up. You just got your indictment this morning because of getting it served, that you were aware of it. So actually, under the law, you do have the right to wait 24 hours before entering a plea. So if you wanted to wait until tomorrow, so you have time to think about this, we could do it. But otherwise, if you're okay, you just wait. If you're willing to do that, then you don't have to come back tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right, thanks. All right, there'll be a deposit that will need to be paid. You'll need to make payments arrangements with the clerk to do that. That's $171 for certain statutory required fees. And then as soon as you're done here, you're going to report. You'll also be in a pretrial supervision probation department, but since you're in treatment, they'll work with you on that. But you're going to report down to the probation department, 117 East Main Street. You know where that is, don't you?
Yes,
And report there immediately after court. Tell them you're on pretrial services. Mr. Arjina will probably be the one who will be supervising you. Report to them once a week as they determine and in the manner they determine, and he can be by phone. Under the random drug testing, may order by phone numbers for call himself and you become employed. You'll be under house arrest at the user entry center, meaning you have to be there except as they allow you to be out for programming, or go to and from work, medical appointments, court proceedings, etc. And you can also do family holiday events. And then you're required to comply with the TCC program during the pendency of this action. That's the counseling center. That's who, that's runs the place, I believe, isn't it? Yeah. All right, so as soon as we're done here, we're going to come around here. Dale can give you assignment notice with all those dates and times, so you'll have a record of that. And just get his contact information down there. We should have it already. Marcia knows that she has somebody she deals with down there, sets things up. But, and then you'll need to report down to the probation department. And then, like I said, your hearings, your first two hearings will be by Zoom, and we'll work with them, use to get those set up. Have any questions?
Sure.
All right, thank you. Everything at 10 o'clock or?
We got Mr. Captain present and Adam's here.
Oh, I see him. He's here. All right. One of Mr. Captain will go ahead. Let me step off the bench and get the files. And, let's go ahead and have a seat there. So we've got some record. All right, you are Ronald Captain?
Yes, sir.
Ronald Wayne Captain? All right. Case number 14, CR 171, State of Ohio versus Ronald Captain. Captain is present. The assistant prosecutor, King, representing the state, is present. Mr. King, Mr. Captain, was convicted of possession of heroin fifth degree felony on February 19, 2015. Placed on community control for a period of 3 years. He was released from that successfully on August 30th of 2016. We filed his application to seal the record on August 25th. The court set the matter for hearing and ordered the report to be prepared by probation. And I apologize, I haven't had time to look at it yet this morning, but take a quick look at it. This appears this to be the only felony. Everything else Mr. Captain had from 2000 to 2015 was traffic related, other than a possession of drug abuse instruments in December 14, which I think may have been related to this charge. And then since February 2015, nothing. Been had no trouble since then. And then let's see, Mr. Captain, are you working now?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you working?
Utamaki.
Oh, Ulamaki? Okay.
Yes.
Very
And
good.
I also, I started a business, a foreclosure business.
What type of
A
business?
foreclosure business,
Oh,
like clean outs.
oh, you mean, homes are being,
Yes,
foreclosed on, you work for the companies and stuff?
Yes,
Okay.
but, since I got a felony on my record, I lost some contracts.
I got you. All right. Any, judgment from the state? All right. All right, well, Mr. Captain, pleased to see that you really turned yourself around since 2015, and I know Umaki's a good place to work. It looks like they're making a decent income, and with your service, once we get this taken care of, we'll be able to get that back on the road. So, the court grants your application, and we'll order the record sealed. Have you paid your $50 fee for that?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So then entry will be prepared. We'll send it down here later this morning probably, and then the clerk will send that out. They'll get you a certified copy. They'll send you one. It'll have a seal on it and it's file stamp. And you want to make several copies of that and keep it in different places, but make sure you keep that one in the safe spot, fireproof box or something, or a safe spot box, so that you don't lose it or doesn't get destroyed or stolen or lost. Because once this is sealed, then they move the record to a different location. And if you go in to ask for a copy of it, they're going to say, well, there's no record. And so just for your benefit. Now, the other thing is that it take about 30 days for all of the governmental agencies, the police department, sheriff department, prosecutor's office, everybody to seal the records and for it to be taken off computer records. Then it should be done within about 30 days. It doesn't seal any kind of a record that's in other non-governmental hands, such as a background check, or a credit check or something like that. But if it shows up, that's why you want to have some extra copies of that entry, so you can show them that your felony is expunged or sealed, and then it's wiped out. And so, and then from here on out, when everybody goes and does a background check on you, I should say 30 days from now or so, then they will not show up on it, right?
Sounds good.
All right, so good luck, and I hope you have good luck with your business.
Yeah, me too. Thank you.
All right, thank you. You here for a ceiling hearing?
I have Mr. Sowers, which will be